In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to open the right template, make changes confidently, and decide whether to update the original or save a brand new version. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the overview section inside your team space. This is a helpful hub for locating the items that use your templates and gives you a clear starting point. Make sure you're in the correct space where the template lives and that you have permission to edit templates in that area. Next, click on the template you want to work with. If you're scanning through a lot of items, use the search bar to find it by name. Once you've located it, move into the tasks area. So you're viewing the task that represents the template's structure. Then open the specific template item you want to modify. Now make the edits you need. You can rename the template to match a new use case or naming convention so your team can easily identify it later. While you're here, it's a good time to adjust fields that often change, like the task description, assignees, due dates, checklists, subtasks, or custom fields. Small improvements, such as clarifying the description or standardizing labels, can make the template much easier to reuse and scale across projects. When your edits look good, head to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the task. From there, choose Templates. You'll see two options for saving. Pick Update Existing Template if you want to overwrite the current template with your new changes. This is best when you're refining the standard and want everyone to use the latest version going forward. Alternatively, choose Save as New Template if you want to preserve the original and create a separate version for a different workflow or team. This option is great for branching a template into variations without disrupting what others already rely on. After choosing, confirm the details so your changes are saved correctly. A quick tip as you wrap up: keep your template names descriptive and consistent, and consider adding a short note in the description to explain when and how to use the template. That simple context helps teammates pick the right one on the first try and reduces rework. That's it. Navigate to your workspace, open the template task, make your updates, and save by either updating the existing template or creating a new one. You're ready to streamline your process and keep your templates tidy and effective.